Have you ever wondered what lurks in the shadows of an old, seemingly abandoned house? What secrets might it hold? Today, we delve into the eerie chronicle of Bognor House, a place where the past refuses to rest. Constructed in the year 1860, Bognor House was initially a family residence, occupied by a man known only as Mr. S. He wasn't a beacon of virtue, known for his intemperate ways and turbulent marriage. His second wife, who adopted his habits, left him shortly before he died in 1876. The couple frequently quarreled over some hidden jewels secreted within the floorboards of a room that ironically never saw the ghostly apparitions. A certain Mr. L took over the residence, but his tenure was short-lived, dying merely 6 months later. The house then stood vacant for 4 years, during which whispers of hauntings began to circulate. In April of 1882, Captain Morton moved into Bognor House. In June, his daughter, a 19-year-old medical student named Miss Rose Morton, reported the first sighting of a mysterious lady in black. As the chronicle unfolds, Miss Morton described seeing a tall lady in black holding a handkerchief to her face. This figure, with a widow's white cuff on each wrist and a face that remained hidden, was seen about 6 times by Miss Morton from 1882 to 84. Other witnesses reported seeing the figure from outside the house, assuming it was a living person. 2 boys playing in the garden once rushed inside to inquire about the weeping lady in black. On one occasion, Miss Morton attempted to communicate with the figure, but it responded with a slight gasp and moved towards the door, seemingly unable to speak. In an attempt to understand the nature of this apparition, Miss Morton set up strings at different heights, attaching them with glue from the stair railings to the wall. The lady in black, however, passed through these cords untouched. Despite her elusive nature, the lady's steps were often heard by several family members. When they heard these steps, Miss Morton would follow the figure, trying to glean more about her. Yet, even when the figure lingered for long periods, some, like Miss Morton's father, never saw her. From 1885, strange phenomena like loud noises, bumps, and turning door handles became common. Servants, despite being assured of the figure's harmlessness, often left their positions. The lady in black was seen less frequently between 1887 and 89, and by 1892, even the light footsteps ceased. The spectral presence didn't just affect the humans in the house. 2 dogs, a retriever and a Skye Terrier, showed signs of distress when in contact with the unseen entity, further validating the strange happenings. In the end, the Bognor House remains a fascinating chronicle of spectral occurrences. The lady in black, a silent figure shrouded in mystery, continues to be a topic of intrigue, testament to the house's haunted past. As Miss Morton put it, her encounters with the figure were marked by a feeling of awe at something unknown, mixed with a strong desire to know more about it. And so, the spectral lady of Bognor House continues to captivate the curiosity of ghost enthusiasts to this day.